Okay, let's go to part 3. So you have the template, right? Let's draw our first complementary pair. So we're gonna go back to the rectangular tool. We select, so it was ellipse tool. We're gonna select polygon. Remember how we draw triangle? We select polygon and we just click and drag. Now, if you have more than 3, you're gonna hit down arrow key until you have 3 sides, and you can hold shift key, so you'll be a perfect triangle. If you hold shift key, it doesn't move, right? And let the mouse go and let the shift key go. See that? Hold out shift key, it will be perfect triangle. And then you can color it with yellow. Leave the stroke alone. We're gonna make it the stroke really small. And then you want to rotate, hold out shift key and rotate. Select again, use selection tool, rotate it. So make sure the bounding box is on. If you don't have it on, you're gonna go to window view, and you want to make sure the bounding box on. You see, I have it on. So the option will that I have right now is turn it off. So let's say turn it off, gone. See that? No bounding box. View, show bounding box. See that? And I'm gonna go to hit rotation. So I move my cursor at the corner of the bounding box, rotate, and hold out shift key. Hold out shift key. So what it does, it lock into 45 degree, right? Let the mouse go, let the shift key go. And then use the selection tool, use selection tool. I'm gonna move that down here. And you want to leave in a position that you have the magenta vertical line is on. See that? That means you're in the center vertically. See that? And let it go. Then you click outside to deselect, and then you're gonna use the direct selection tool, white arrow. Okay, so you don't use this until you need to. And then you make sure that you deselect everything, white arrows on. You will go to the corner, the anchor, and you move that anchor into the intersection of the diameter and the circle. And do the same thing for the other one, and do the bottom one to the center. See that? So when you do that, you deselect, and then you go back to selection tool. You select on that. For some reason, my screen keep moving. You select on that, and then you want to make a copy at 180 degree, right? So you want to go to object, transform, rotate, and you want to hit 180, and you want to make a copy. Make a copy. And then you turn it to violet, right? Because that's the complementary of yellow. And then you will move the violet back to across the street into the opposite direction. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. See that? And then you deselect. And then I will stop the recording.